In this video, we are going to walk you through how we made this. Let's take a quicker look at the transition we are focusing on. So we lined up the two shots. First shot is just the bars, no movement, no wand. Then here's the second shot. I've already done the masking and keyframing work. And when I turn the bottom layer on, you can see the effect we are going for, which is this frame blocking mask transition. It's pretty seamless. We recorded the wand moves slow so we could reduce motion blur and make the mask easier to complete, and we could speed up in post. This also helped, as the hand model, to see what I was covering in the frame, making sure to cover all the fruits. Then, I nested the two clips and I needed more head and tail in the transition, so I added a little bit of time from the first clip as head and more time from the second clip as tail. And then I was able to speed up the nest as planned. And as a final touch, I found a magic wand dust that I keyframed to follow the wand. I did a pretty rudimentary keyframe job, but it worked well. And now we have our final. That's it. Thanks for watching.